Welcome back to the Shanling UP4 Bluetooth headphone amplifier sound impressions. So what I'm trying to do is give you some idea of how the headphone amplifier sounds. So the rig is pretty simple. What I have is a DAP. This is the Abasso DS160, right? And I have a bunch of interesting no copyright songs from YouTube that I'm going to play. And right now I'm going to play it directly on the earphones. I'm using the FIIO FD1 as the reference for this particular, let's say, sound demo. Okay, and let me just play the music. This is the reference sound without Bluetooth in action. So you are hearing it directly from YouTube on a DAP through the FIIO FD1 and it's recorded. So basically this is what the sound sounds like without a Bluetooth amp in between. What I'm going to do next is to pair up this device with the UP4 as a Bluetooth headphone amp and feed the headphones from the amplifier instead of connecting it directly to the DAP. So that way it gives you an idea of what kind of coloring the headphone amp brings in, and you also get some idea about about the resolution that's available on the amplifier. So let's give it a try. So there we go. Now I have paired up the DAP with the Shanling UP4 and we are in Bluetooth LDAC mode. So that's the highest resolution the product supports. So let's play the same piece of music. Now I'm playing it on the player. There's Bluetooth in between, no wires, and the Bluetooth headphone amplifier picks it up, passes it all the way to the recorder. So that gives you some idea of if there is any loss in resolution or if you hear any obvious audible differences between what was played in the source and what's coming through Bluetooth. Okay, let's give it a try. I didn't find any obvious differences, but yeah, I do feel that the higher frequencies are a little bit sharper. Maybe it's the processing or there is an equalizer in there, I'm not sure, but it does sound a little sharper. So the next thing I'm going to play is a pure guitar piece, so you get to hear if the strings sound any better on the Bluetooth amplifier. So I'm going to play the acoustic guitar sample out here. So with that here, I just switched to the DAP directly without Bluetooth, so you get a good idea of what's happening. So now I've wired up the IEMs, the earphones, directly to the DS160 player here. There's no Bluetooth. Bluetooth is out, and let's see how the guitar sounds now. I honestly feel there's a little more mid-range and presence area, so I can kind of hear the twangs better. And the Shanling was kind of making it a slight V-shaped sound. Not too much, but there was some audible difference. Not too much, but a gentle one for sure. Okay, hope that gives you some idea. Thank you.